Welcome. If I could show you how to get 20 times more clicks or calls from Google search and do it all without ever spending a dime on Google ads, would you be interested? Okay, hold on. Sit on your wallet. There's nothing to buy. I just have one question for you. And that question is, what are you doing now to get calls or clicks from Google search? Okay, and here's the spoiler alert. It's not about your website. Actually, it's about Google reviews. Let me explain. To help you best on this video, I'm going to show you, number one, how to get 20 times more clicks from Google search and do it all without spending a dime on ads. And I'm going to show it to you step by step. Number two, I'm going to release some crazy Google statistics that will actually back up exactly what I'm saying, and that's your irrefutable proof. And number three, if you hang around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to grab my latest download, the Ultimate Auto Repair Shop Owner's Google Reviews Cheat Sheet. And that cheat sheet is going to show you three important things: how to multiply the number of reviews you're getting. Number two, how to actually entice customers so that you will get more reviews every time. And number three, how to take those reviews and monetize them so that you actually turn those reviews into more booked jobs in your shop. So hey, if we haven't met, my name's Matthew. Most auto repair shop owners just call me the car count fixer. Now, you might not recognize me, and that's because for the last 2 decades, I've worked behind the scenes with independent auto repair shops just like you, helping them deploy marketing strategies so that they could scale their repair shop to high 6, 7, and multiple 7-figure-a-year repair shops. Now, they don't chase car count, they don't beg customers for reviews, and they certainly don't plead with them to send them their friends and associates as new customer referrals. So now, let's jump into the video. So I asked you, what are you doing now to actually get clicks or calls from Google search? And the real fact of the matter is, and Google will back me on this, it's all about your Google business profile. It's really not about your website. And we can talk about that later, but it's about your Google profile. Now understand, when customers in your market search things like auto service or auto repair city, state, or air conditioning service city, state, or air conditioning recharge city, state, Google shows them a quick map pack, or that's what Google calls it. And that map pack is a small little map and 3 different listings for businesses in that market. Above that map pack listing are a maximum of 3 paid ads. Now, if you listen to other gurus, they're going to tell you, if you want more car count, just go buy more ads. But I'm going to blow all that out of the water in just a minute. For 2025, Google's released this data on CTR, or click-through rate, and they're comparing their ads versus GBP ranking, or basically organic ranking in the map pack. And here's a quick look at the stats. You can see ad position 1, 2, and 3 maximize at a 2.1% conversion rate. As opposed to that, getting found in the Google Map Pack, which is position 1, 2, or 3 organically, gets you a click-through rate as high as 39%, and even the third position gets a 10.2% click-through rate. So if you look at spending money on ads to get a 2% click-through rate on the Google search page versus actually getting found in the Google Map Pack to get an almost 40% click-through rate, that's getting 20 times more calls and clicks from the Google search. And you haven't spent a dime on advertising. So the real key is not spending a boatload of money on your website, but focusing on getting more Google reviews, because Google states that not only your review count, but the recency of your reviews is important to actually increasing your ranking in the Google business profile. And that gets you into the top 3 positions of the Google Map Pack. And that's getting you 20 times more clicks and calls from Google search. It's because all of this, I want to give you my latest download, the Ultimate Auto Shop Owner's Google Reviews Cheat Sheet. And in that cheat sheet, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to tell you why customers don't leave reviews. I'm going to show you the 5 simple things that you can do to get more reviews. And heck, I even include some of the warnings that you have to watch for so that you don't get your Google business profile banned for life. And if that's not enough, I've included a page that's actually going to show you how to multiply the number of reviews that you get. Because let's face it, you know that you ask customers for reviews, they all tell you the same thing, but they don't happen. I'm going to show you a strategy that works all the time, and it works while you sleep. And it works even when you don't have the staff to do all this. So you're going to want to see that. Number 2, I'm going to show you how to entice customers so that when they consider giving you a review, they're actually going to follow through and do it. And number 3, I'm going to show you how to take those reviews and monetize them so that you use them to take tire-kicking website visitors into booked calls and how to sell more service in your shop. All that's available from this link below here, or scan this QR code and get over there. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Can't wait to catch you on the download page. Take care. Talk real soon.